Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x minus 1 over x bracket whole power 3 plus x minus 1 over x, this is equals to 30. Here we need to calculate the value of x and x belongs to real number. Look carefully in left hand side. We have x minus 1 over x and here x minus 1 over x. Here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x minus 1 over x, this is equals to m. So this expression is replaced by m. So here m cube plus m, and this is equals to 30. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m cube plus m minus 30, and this is equals to 0. We have m cube plus m and minus 30, and this is equals to 0. M cube plus m and minus 30 is 27 plus 3, and this is equals to 0. Then m cube plus m, and this minus is multiplied by inside the bracket, then this is minus 27 minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Then here m cube plus m minus 27 is 3 cube minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully. First if we write m cube, and then if we write minus 3 cube plus m minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Now here if we apply again substitution, and if we substitute m is equals to a and 3 is equals to b, then in left hand side m is replaced by a power 3 minus 3 is replaced by b power 3 plus, and here m is a and 3 is b, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, this is difference between two squares. Factor of a cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus a times b plus b square, and here a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Now a minus b is common. If we take common a minus b is common, then you will get here a square plus a times b plus b square plus 1, and this is equals to 0. We know that value of a is m and value of b is 3. So this a is replaced by m minus 3, and value of a is m, so m square plus a is m and b is 3 plus 3 square, because value of b is 3, so 3 square plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here m minus 3 times m square plus 3 times m plus 3 square is 9 plus 1, which is 10, and this is equals to 0. And left hand side here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then this expression is a and this expression is b. Then here you can say m minus 3, this is equals to 0, so here value of m is equals to 3. And here you can say m square plus 3 times m plus 10, and this is equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation, m square plus 3 times m and plus 10, this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have quadratic equation, and here we will talk about only real solutions. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic. Here value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 3 and value of c is equals to 10. And we know that discriminant formula b square minus 4 times ac, and value of b is 3 square minus 4 times, and value of a is 1, and value of c is 10. So here 3 square 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 10 is 40, and this is equals to minus 31. So here discriminant of this quadratic is less than 0. So here we can say no real roots exist. Now we have m is equals to 3. M is equals to 3. And we know that value of m is x minus 1 over x. So this m is replaced by x minus 1 by x, and this is equals to 3. Now in left hand side we have x minus 1 over x, and here x is present in denominator, so we can say x does not equals to 0. Now if we multiplied both side x, then this x is multiplied by x, then here x square minus x is multiplied by 1 over x, then you will get 1, and this is equals to here 3 times x. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus 3 times x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is equals to 1, and value of b is minus 3, and value of c is equals to minus 1, and value of x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac, and divided by 2 times a. So here x is equals to minus value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of, and value of b is minus 3 square minus 4 times value of a is 1, and value of c is also minus 1, and 2 times a. And we know that value of a is 1, so this a is replaced by 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. Now x is equals to minus, this minus is multiplied by minus 3, then you will get 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square is 9 plus minus 4 into minus 4, which is plus 4. So here 9 plus 4, and this is equals to 2. So value of x is equals to 3 plus minus square root of 15 over 2. Here first solution x1, this is equals to 3 plus square root of 15 over 2, and second solution x2, this is equals to 3 minus square root of 15 over 2. Here we have two real solutions. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.